Okay, this is what I did to help a friend get rid of fleas, to help a couple of friends get rid of fleas. And we did two methods. We used diatomaceous earth and we used like other different kinds of products. Sorry, I don't remember the products we used because this was a while ago. But you can always find some different type of products that may be on the market for fleas, but diatomaceous earth was definitely one of them. Some of the concerns that they had were that they had pets. And we all know that diatomaceous earth is something you cannot breathe in. That's the only time it's hazardous to your health, is if you directly breathe it in when it's all over the place, when it's in like that cloud of dust. But it does work, and it works very well. So if you're using diatomaceous earth, treating the areas, if you have pets, you will have to remove your pets from those areas and do not let your pets go around until treatment is done. And then you vacuum it up and then you go back to your life as usual. But I'm going to add this is going to be directions on how you can treat your home for fleas. If you have fleas with diatomaceous earth, then I'll show what you can use if you use other type of products like sprays or something outside of diatomaceous earth. So stay tuned for that.